Hi, this is ZTE Blade V50 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ring, vibration or silent mode. Just select one from the modes here. In silent mode you could use auto mode media volume with the help of the switcher. And on ring mode you could use ring only, ring and vibration then ringing and vibration and then ringing. So here we got the phone, message notification, medias and alarm volume panels. So just to change the volumes level you should just slide to the left or to the right side these white dots on each of the volume panels. We could switch also the default volume button control from the medias to the ringtone. So now for example we have selected the music video game, and with the help of the volume buttons we'll change the media's volumes. Also we could switch it from the medias to the phone to the ringtone, and by this way we could change the ringtone volume. Also we got here the don't disturb mode. We could turn it on or turn it off. We could just set the shadow, the start and the end time of the D&D mode, and to allow some calls, messages or notifications from many people's apps. And also we could use the repeated colors option with the help of the switcher. Here we got switch to silent or vibration modes section. We could just use one from the available options here. We could use the ring in silent mode option. Here we got the ringtones section. We could switch ringtones for scene 1, scene 2 on notification sounds. And also we could activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds, touch sounds, screenshot, allow battery reminder sounds, and also we could activate or turn off the touch vibration and ringtone fade in option. So to activate or turn off all of these options we should click on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.